To clear out your captions, already made captions. Let's say you have a load of workflow, like your timeline is full of captions already, like say like an hour or longer than just this few seconds I have right here. Now, how you can do that, just go to captions. If you come to, this is always toggled off. Once you click on clear current captions, then you click on generate, it's just going to generate a new one for you. So you're just going to come here, right here, to look for the new caption we want to use, right? So I'm just going to come to this one and say, okay, I want to put in this one. I'll say auto generate, and I just wait for it to just load up. And so this is done already, right? Then we're just going to come here to clear this current one. All I can easily do is come right here and select it all from here, from the bottom like this, and clear, and hit delete, is gone. So I have the new one right here. Or we come here and say Command Z or Control Z, any which way you want to do it, and use the clear option, and you click generate, it's just going to generate a new one for you. I hope this helped you. Let me know in the comment section if you did. Let me know. Smash the like button, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.